This is the Kospet Tank T2, the direct successor to the Tank M1. Similar to its sibling, the Tank M2, the T2 boasts IP69K and MIL, STD, 810H certifications, making it resistant to water, dust, and extreme temperatures. While the Tank T2 maintains the ruggedness of the M2, it offers a more compact 1.43-inch AMOLED touchscreen with a resolution of 466 by 466 pixels. Inside, the Tank T2 is powered by the same Realtek 8763EW CPU, and comes with 128 MB RAM and ROM for storing apps and data. In terms of connectivity and sensors, both watches are identical. You get Bluetooth 5.0, RE Bluetooth call functionality, and a comprehensive suite of sensors including an accelerometer, gyroscope, barometer, compass, heart rate monitor, and SpO2 sensor. Another notable difference between the M2 and the T2 is in the battery capacity. The Tank T2 packs a slightly larger 410 mAh LiPo battery compared to the M2's 318 mAh battery. This extra capacity should translate to longer battery life, allowing users to enjoy extended usage without frequent recharging.